Official Part 2. Standby, no? MAKBAKAN Audio Classic powered by Live and Turbulence product and DAS Soundworks of Master Thoughts, Mr. Dandy Digova, Technician Mr. Yunard Piñas, Spinner Mr. TJ Ivan Lucini of Team Servo Family. Once again, for the official Part 2, MAKBAKAN Audio Classic.
Ace Mambawi remix by Turbulence. Oh my God, did that stink?
MAKBAKAN Electronics powered by DJ Chupibo Presto. There's no cow with a mouthful.
BM Electronics. You turn that beat up like that. BM Electronics. Green light.
Good Rhyme Mix Club DJs.
Tramole, get.
Electronics.
Tramole, kaka.
DJs.
letra mo, letra. Get. Satisfying clarity, never been heard intensity, and satisfaction guaranteed. This is MAKBAKAN Audio Classic of Barangay Matambo, San Joaquin, Iloilo, owned and managed by Sefulan Brothers, powered by DNS Soundworks and Team Turbo.
Bakan